Hi, Brandie. Thank you so much for your work this week. Um, how does this poem make me feel? It makes me feel worried about the narrator, right? Worried if somebody is praying to God for help and has married someone who doesn't really know, um, and that person, the narrator doesn't know who the person they married is. So I feel worried and a little bit of anxiety for the narrator. I do think it tells a complete story. I don't think anything is missing. Um, I wonder if there are a few more details that you can include about the husband. Um, I think there's like a lot of confusion and fear that's expressed by the narrator, but then there's only a couple of details. So hearing voices, thinking he was God, dressing in women's clothing is not necessarily something that I would find fear-inducing. It comes across as a little bit. It doesn't align with the other details of the poem in terms of the fear-inducing. So I would consider leaving that detail out. I would consider including a few more details about the control that is expressed at the end of the poem. That would be my recommendation moving forward. I think it's a very powerful topic, and I'd love to see this expanded. Um, for the second poem, the DNA test, you ask the question, what is its tone, and does it seem unsophisticated or improperly mature? Um, I think that at first it starts off and it's really whimsical, and right about halfway through the through the poem, I think, probably right around where you start to detail the different percentages on the DNA test, it does cross over from this whimsical quality, which I really like, into a little bit immature. But I think that can work if you're wanting to embrace the childlike joy of finding out this news. So I'm giving you that analysis so you can make decisions moving forward with this poem, not in terms of good and bad, but in terms of here's what I see. So thank you so much, Brandie. I hope you're having a really good week.